Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video where we'll be solving the list program here. So we are here with another question. The question is, you are given a list of integer element. Make a new list that will store a square of elements of the previous list with and without list comprehension. So we have to perform this question with and without list comprehension. So let's understand what is the question here. So it is telling that you are given a list of integer. That means we have a list of elements, and then make a new list that will store the square of elements. So we have previously the integer elements in a list, and we have to make a new list in which we have to store the square of elements in the previous list, and we have to perform this with and without list comprehension. So firstly, what we will do, without list comprehension, we will try to solve this question. So it is telling that we already have a list of integers, original elements, sorry, original list. I will give this list name original list. So here in this list we have 1 2 3 and 4. So this is our original list, and then we will create another list where we have to store our squared elements. Sorry, now I will keep this list as empty. Without list comprehension we are solving this program. So what I will do here, I will create a for loop for I in original list colon sq square list dot append I star star 2. Now append original list print square square list. Let's enter what it is saying. Okay, there's an indentation error. See, you can see original list 1 2 3 4, and you can see the square list. Square of these elements, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16. So what did happen in this code, I will let you know. So we created an original list, and then in this original list we stored the elements, integer elements 1 2 3 4, and then we created an empty list named square list, and then we created a for loop in which we said that for I in original list, the I means I is indicating to these elements, these individual elements, and then we said that squared list dot append. What does this function do? Append. It stores the element into means particular thing, means what we are doing, we are storing these elements into the squared list. So basically this line is telling that whatever the squared elements are there, just store them into the squared list, and then we call the original list, and then we call here the squared list, right? So this is without list comprehension. So here we created original list and then empty list, and then here we also wrote the for loop, and then we appended this squared elements into squared list. So this was a lengthy process. Now let's see without list comprehension. We have to write it in short. So what we will here, also we will create one original list. We will keep the elements same 1 2 3 4, right? Now here sq square, we have to keep this code concise because here we are forming with list comprehension. So now we created a square list, and in this element and in this list what I will do, I star, I will use exponential component, square of the element for I in original list. We are going to print original list. We are squared list. See, so here what happened, here in this first program we created a original list, then empty list, then we created a for loop, we given the condition, and then we called the original and squared list. But here what we did, we given the original list, and then we created a squared list, and in this squared list we given the condition. We didn't created here a for loop like in previous program. What we did, we created a for loop and then we given a condition, but here we didn't create a for loop, we just given the condition within the squared list, and then we called the original list and squared list. So this operation is carried out without list comprehension, and this operation is carried out with without list comprehension. So I hope that you understand what is list comprehension and how does it work, right? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this.